Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, Kingston College standout and Manning Cup MVP Dujuan Richards is part of a 32-man local squad invited to 2 training sessions today and tomorrow by the Reggae Boyz head coach Hamir Hallgrimson. The invitees also include the Clarendon College duo of Captain Malachi Douglas and right back Okimo Jones. There are 10 Mount Pleasant Football Club invitees headed by forward Trevante Stewart. Richard King and this season's leading goal scorer Colin Anderson are 2 of 5 Cavaliers players invited. Arnett Gardens and Harbourview will be represented by 4 players each. Waterhouse have 2 players, Portmore United 1, and former under-17 striker Jason Wright is the only Malines United representative. The sessions will start at 3 p.m. each day. Tivoli Gardens got just their second win of the season after beating Waterhouse 1-0 in the feature match of a doubleheader in the Jamaica Premier League at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex last night. Keno Simpson got the all-important goal in the contest in the 80th minute. The victory sees Tivoli move to 10 points and into 11th in the standings, while Waterhouse remain 9th on 13 points.
Yeah, this was a difficult win for us, and I'm pleased with the players, the way they play today, the work, and we get the clean sheet as well, and we get a goal, so that's more important for us. So we just need to go back on the drawing board again and keep working.
Earlier, Mount Pleasant missed the chance to go back to the top of the league after being held to a goalless draw by second from bottom Vere United at the same venue.
It's the nature of the game. You know, we have a long season. You know, the good thing about tonight's performance we didn't lose. I think we didn't play with enough aggression this afternoon. In our attacking third, we didn't create enough scoring opportunity, and I think that cost us.
Now, despite suffering a 2-1 series defeat to hosts England in their 3-match test series, Sunshine Girls head coach Connie Francis says she still fancies the team's chances ahead of the World Cup later this year. After levelling the series on Saturday, the Sunshine Girls went down 63-59 on Sunday at the Copper Box Arena. But Francis, who returned with the team last evening, insists that the potential shown by the team is more important than the series result.
I know that we're in early preparation of our program, but the result is fascinating for us, knowing that England is in match condition while we are in early preparation for the World Cup.
However, there is a key part of the preparation that needs assessment, according to Francis.
We need to fix our players because we have some injury concern. Right through the tournament, Nicole Dixon Rochester could only play like 5 and 7 minutes. So and then we have a new injury that comes on, and then we have all injury that is acting up. So first of all, we just need to ensure that we get the girls a good medical preparation.
And finally, another long-time event will return to the local athletics calendar as the Central Hurdles and Relays Development Meet is set to take place at the GC Foster College on Saturday. The meet, which will incorporate field events, was absent for 2 years due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Athletics Director at GC Foster College, Chester McCarthy, explains how important it is to have these types of meets early in the year.
To have a really development meet early in January, it's always very good. The coaches love it because it gives them a quick look to see where their athletes are in terms of how they change buttons, how they use the zones, that kind of thing. So we are very, very happy that we are going to be able to execute this meet this year.
The event is slated to begin at 9 a.m. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shamela?
Thanks, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.